How to repair a lawn bumpy from a mole. The damage caused by moles can be both extensive and unsightly. This is especially true if you allow the moles free rein over your lawn. After time, the moles will not only continue creating eyesores in the form of mounds and tunnels, they will begin damaging the root systems of the grass as well as that of other vegetation in the area. To avoid further damage, you must reclaim your property from the moles. Fortunately, this is a job you can handle on your own. Things you'll need: mole traps, lawn roller, riding lawnmower or garden tractor, topsoil, grass seed, straw. Set mole traps in active tunnels. Make sure the tunnels are active by caving in a small portion with your foot. Check on the tunnel a day later if the mole has redug it. It's active. Kill as many moles as possible before attempting to repair the damaged lawn, otherwise, your work will be for naught. Connect a lawn roller to your riding lawnmower or garden tractor, following the manufacturer's directions. Drive your mower or tractor across the lawn. A heavy roller will flatten the irregularities and make the surface uniform. Pay particular attention to any wider areas of the lawn affected by tunneling, and be sure to go over individual mounds. Fill in any low spots in the lawn with topsoil. The weight of the lawn roller may collapse some tunnels, causing slight depressions. Fill these low-lying areas to allow proper drainage, ensure safety for anyone walking across the lawn, and make the lawn more attractive and easier to mow. Apply grass seed to any bare spots on the lawn or areas that you filled with topsoil. Choose a variety that matches your lawn and broadcast the seed evenly. Spread a thin layer of straw over the seeded areas to protect the seed until it germinates. Tips: warnings. You can choose from a variety of mole traps, including harpoon, scissor and noose traps. Mole traps can be found at many hardware and garden supply stores or ordered online. You often can find lawn rollers at rental stores that rent lawn equipment. If you continue to experience mole problems after repairing your lawn, continue trapping. Mole repellents containing castor oil may also prove effective in keeping moles out of your lawn. Some types of mole traps are illegal in certain states. Check your state and local trapping regulations before buying and setting mole traps on your property.